amigos. We are in Mexico City and we're in the park, and there's a flower garden right there, and we also have the parking lot right there. It's one of them, but there's more. And this is the park.
Hola amigos, estamos aquí en la Ciudad de México, en el Parque Chapultepec.
Hola amigos, we are at Chapultepec. There's flower garden here. I'm collecting flowers for Mommy.
¿Qué onda amigos? We're here in El Bosque de Chapultepec in Mexico City, and we're here because we had to come drop off my father-in-law at the airport. He flew back to Texas and we missed him already, but we took advantage of a little trip to the city and we're here. We've been walking around, seeing a lot of cool stuff and just enjoying our time in the city. And we actually got to visit the Natural History Museum here in Mexico City, and it was a lot of fun.
Alright guys, so I was putting together the video and I realized I'm not in it. No, I'm kidding. That wasn't necessarily intentional, but it worked out better that way, I guess. But I did want to mention that we absolutely had a blast in Mexico City yesterday. Had a lot of fun, even despite some crazy things that went on. But I just want to let you guys know that if you want to see more videos like that, where we're out having adventures and stuff, and you would like to even help us out to where we can do a few more videos like that. There's a link in the description below for a new shirt design that I did. If you click on the link, you can see the story behind the design, why I designed it that way, and why it's a very important thing to us. But other than that, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really does help just by simply clicking on that little thumb. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you get notifications every time we post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.